Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you some of what I am working on this week. Sorry if the wind is loud. It is really loud in here, you might not even be able to hear. So this is the top that I'm working on right now. I tried making this like years and years back, but I made it too big for myself. That was before I even knew much about sewing in the first place. But I'm trying it again, same fabric, it's this stuff here. It's just got finished cutting out pretty much all the pieces. I still have, I guess these are the, I think these are for, it's like a modesty panel for under the armhole here since it's pretty low. I think that's what that is anyways. Anyway, so yeah, made a mess of my floor of course. And then I just cut out the sleeves, and those are my like really crappy, what are those called? Tailor tacks that I made for it. Because I didn't want to mark on it because I'm cutting on my carpet. So that is what I'm working on right now. And then once I'm done with that, I picked this pattern out of my stash that I had for like a really long time. I got it from a thrift store, I think. It doesn't have the price on here. I'm sure it was like 50 cents probably. Check out your thrift stores if you are looking for patterns, because sometimes they're not even used. Look at this. Never opened, cut, nothing. I don't even think this has ever even been unfolded before. So, but I'm going to make this top here, and I'm using this fabric. And I was thinking about, it's pretty thick, like I don't think that you would be able to see through it when it's stretched or anything. So I'm thinking about making some workout leggings. There's this pattern at Joann's that I really want. I saw it online here recently, and I was like, that looks cute, so I might try that out here soon, if I can ever get around to it. But in the meantime, this is the one I'm going to be making for now. And then I have this fabric over here, but I don't know what to use for it. I've had it for a really long time. It's a bottom weight. It has, I thought it had some stretch, a little bit of stretch to it, but no, I guess not. It doesn't have any stretch to it. But I got this from off Harry Hines in Dallas. It's a good place to go. That's where a lot of manufacturers sell back like unused stock, or if they find like they buy like sample yardage or something like that, they'll sell it back there, and usually they sell it back to the shop owners for like 50 cents to $2 a yard, and it's really good quality fabric. So you end up buying it for like $4, $5, $7 a yard for some of this stuff, and it is, you can buy this for under $15 a yard at some places, so it's a really good deal. So if you have anything like that in your area, definitely check it out. But I just don't know what to use this for. It's so cute. And I have some other ones over here. This is like my little sewing cubbies for all my stash. But I have these over here that's pretty similar fabric. These have a little bit of stretch in them, but I just not really a fan of a lot of color, even though they're really cute. I just don't know what to use these for. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I do like them, I don't see myself ever reaching for them, so it seems like a waste to just, you know. I was thinking about making a skirt, but I just don't think that I'd ever reach for it if I made one out of that fabric. Maybe a dress or something, I don't know, so I don't have to think about what to put with it. It's just already a whole outfit. Maybe I'll do something like that. And then on this one, I originally was thinking about doing some kind of pant, but I don't know, it just might be a little too busy for me. Brandon suggested maybe making a jacket out of it, but we'll see if anything ever comes of it. It could be cute as a jacket. Maybe some like faux leather detailing or something. I don't know, we'll see.